Broke out my old wax pot so I could try the Sexy Smooth waxes. I bought 2 packs of the Purple Seduction and 1 pack of the Pearl Essence. So we're going to see how these waxes are. Okay, so I've had a couple days where I've tried the waxes, and I'm just going to show them to you a little bit. So here is the purple one. What was it? Purple Seduction, I believe. But melting points are low. I actually feel like it's a little high right now. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Okay. It's pretty. Oops, yep, see, it's a little too hot. Definitely would not use it this hot on a client. Very, very, very pretty. Dries pretty quick, but still pretty pliable. Gorgeous. I don't really have any hair on my arms, but very, very pretty. Now let's do the Pearl Essence, which I think out of the 2, I really, really liked this one. I think I will order more of this one. Okay. So put it on the inside. Usually I like to, I don't like a clear wax. I like to be able to see it better. I'm blind as a bat. But this one just, I don't know. I really enjoyed it. I could always add glitter to it or mix it with my mermaid, but same, just very pliable. Dries quick. I really like this wax. I was actually genuinely surprised at how much I liked this wax. I do like to mix waxes, so I do think that I'm going to try to mix it. Right now, the current mixture I use is the Mermaid Lavender Lava, which is the Electra and the Serena, and I mix that with the pink wax from Miss Sierra, which I can't think of what it's called right now. Just one of those days. But anyway, so I have liked that mixture, but I just don't love it. So I think that what I'll do is I'm always going to stick with Mermaid, even though they're a little pricey for wax. I do just love their wax. But honestly, this wax from Sexy Smooth is the most comparable wax that I have found this far to Mermaid. Yeah. So I'm going to try to mix it. I get my order from Mermaid today. And I will let you guys know how that goes, okay? Ignore my dying plant up there. I've tried with the plants and they're just not, it's not working, so, okay. Thank you for watching, and try out the Sexy Smooth. I really actually like it, so.